All right, what's up, YouTube? Pyro Rev coming at you one more time from the garage in Idaho. This is the 2023 fireworks stash video. Everything that we picked up for this year. Not really going to do everything, but just want to show everybody what we picked up this year. So I'll start over here. We got a case of the Black Friday party box. Left one at home in LA. We're gonna do one here in Idaho. Picked up this Black Cat Heritage sampler assortment from Pyro City in Evanston, Wyoming. Got a case of geisha shells there. We picked up a case of Zoom flowers from Red Apple. There's just a few boxes there. Got that Cobra box case. You guys already know about that. Giant Panda box, because why not? You guys already know about that. That's Red Apple. Picked up a case of those new for this year, Turbo, because those are probably the most sickest Roman candles there are on the earth. Got these Roman candles from the guys over at Goldfield Fireworks. Hooked us up with those. Got that excellent bag that came from Pyro City in Wyoming, Evanston. Same thing with those mammoth parachutes. Brought a box of Sumo Snaps. We got the whole case back at home. The guys at Goldfield again hooked us up with these silver rope sparklers. They're super bright. Alright, getting into some of these shells. The big pro shells we picked up at Paiute Indian Reservation in Nevada off of I-80. The Golden Eye, we picked those up at Goldfield Fireworks. Got the Kodo collection, the Black Hat Patriot shells, Neon Diablo shells, and the Black Cat shells. Those we all picked up from Pyro City in Evanston. This 750 shot Invasion. We've been sitting on this thing, mega banger. Been sitting on this thing for about 3 years now. But we're gonna light it off this year. We already did a video on one where the cops pulled up, but we're gonna do it again. Hopefully the cops don't come this time. Red Riff, we've been sitting on that one for about 3 years. Finally gonna do it off this year. Hit the Road Jack, that's from my masterclass assortment that's left over. These two TNT aerials, that's the first time I've ever had aerials from TNT. Those came from Porter's in Evanston, Wyoming. So we're gonna light those off this year. Daytime Celebration, I've been sitting on this one for about 2 years, 3 years. Finally gonna light it off. These two cakes from Fox Fireworks, got from Pyro City in Evanston. Gave them to us for free. This Luck of the Irish and Wild West, those ones are left over from my masterclass assortment that I had a couple years back that we did a video on. Cosmic Raider we got for free from the guys at Goldfield. Then we picked up all these fountains. Case of Glowing Lotus, case of popcorn, case of ice cream cones. Those ice cream shops new for this year, those are small but mighty. Tiger's Roar I've been sitting on for a couple years, gonna finally do it off this year. Jumbo shell we picked up, Red Apple Fireworks, super good price. Grandstander, this came from Area 51 in Pahrump. 100-foot fountain we picked up in Evanston, Pyro City. Quiet Storm we picked up from Family Fun Fireworks over in Jerome, Idaho. These Ghost Platinum Flash Crackers, got a case of them. Been sitting on those for a few years. Finally gonna get this one lid off because just itching to do a roll of 8,000. Coming over here, we got everything set up on top of the dog crates. Got a brick of Black Cat fireworks, Black Cat flash crackers, I mean. Those are 20 strips of 100, 2 rolls of 1,000. Picked up these 8 bricks of Dominator ground blooms. Excellent price from the guys at Goldfield. Real good guys over there. Let's see. These we picked up at Goldfield. Couldn't pass up on those. The price was right too. Goldfield fireworks. Picked up 2 boxes of those. Had to get those. These firecrackers we got from Roller Coaster over, I believe it's Battle Mountain, Nevada. Roller Coaster fireworks. I seen these on Redbeard's video, and that motivated me to go and pick up some of these zebra firecrackers. Ground blooms we got from Goldfield Fireworks a couple years back. Still sitting on them. Gonna do them off this year. 7 lantern parachutes, 3-peat rockets, come from Pyro City in Evanston. Pyro torch came from Goldfield Fireworks. Gotta have Piccolo Pete's. Picked those up right here in Twin Falls at a fireworks stand. This I saw at Goldfield Fireworks. It looked extremely unique. I don't know, it's from a European country, but it looks like a 500-gram cake disguised as a 350-gram cake. I don't know, but whatever it is, it looks extremely nice. And I don't even know if I want to light it off. I got that Quiet, Black Cat. Picked up a bunch of wire sparklers from Black Cat. Those are some turbos. Let me see. Got the Killer Bee and Cuckoo combination. Sky Spiders. Got these here. Speedway Racers. Pyro City. Tommy Turbo. Roxy Racer. Pyro City. Case of Camellia Flowers, or box I should say. Goldfield Fireworks. Little frickin' frack action. Pyro City. Pyro City. Little cat fight fountain. Pyro City. Cat Eyes, Pyro City. Bottle Rockets, Pyro City. Great American Fireworks, Whistling Moon Travelers, Goldfield Fireworks. So yeah, that's it. That's the entire haul for 2023. We do have a couple things that aren't here. We picked up a case of High Rise from Red Apple, case of Bonsai from Red Apple. Those are back at home and not in here in this video, but we did pick those up and we'll claim them as part of our 2023 haul. But that's it. That's the haul for 2023. Have a happy and safe 4th of July. Stay safe. Don't blow yourselves up. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next year.